Hello, my name is Tanya and I'm the founder of BCSizing. We are an Auto CAD sizing system set to transform the way women's clothes are made. The fashion industry has no standard to the sizing of clothing. Each retailer chooses their own sizes, frustrating consumers who have to buy multiple sizes, then return the ones that do not fit. Fashion brands deal with high returns, universities don't teach fit, only model size, and the planet suffers with millions of tons sent to landfill annually. BCSizing is a digital pattern cutting and grading software that has integrated bust cup sizes into each body size, digitizing from the first pattern through to mass production. Current mass production was proven to fit 19% of women under my PhD study, compared to BCSizing 79%. To create a BCSizing account, click onto the pricing tab on our website, and at the moment click on Education and Independence and complete the sign up form. Once you receive the confirmation email, you'll be able to log in to our system. This will take you to your dashboard. The library is where you'll store your garment blocks. My patterns is for your patterns, add sizes, and an ability to contact us. You now need to complete the form by starting quoting a measurement in the hip size box. You can choose between 3 statures, 5 different figure shapes, and 6 different bust cup sizes. Once you've made the selection, you click on the Calculate button and it will tell you the BCSizing code and you save it. You now have the option to add additional sizes based on the size that you've already selected. You can choose different body sizes and different cup sizes. These will all then appear on the sheet here on your dashboard and in your library. When you're in the library, if you click on View Patterns, you open the portfolio and the garment blocks appear. Click on the garment block that you want to start working with. The block now appears on the screen. It is embedded, so you need to select Duplicate to give you a second copy of the block that you are able to edit. The master copy can be hidden while you're working on your pattern. Use the tool on the top bar and click it and it hides behind the screen. It never is deleted, it's just hidden. With the block selected, click on Group and click on Disconnect. It will separate each of the lines, enabling you to edit. BCSizing has a total of 23 tools, all resembling manual pattern cutting techniques. Within the line there's also a pencil. You can change the line thickness and also the different colours. There's the rubber to erase. We also have a zoom tool so you can work closely. The 1 centimetre grid remains on the screen to enable you to calculate the lines you're creating. We have tools to draw rectangles and godays, triangles, which can be used and edited into the likes of shirt collars and cuffs. Information has 3 different preset grain lines. Also the type tool, where you can choose the size of type and the colour of type can be added onto the grain line. The pattern needs to be saved in 2 parts, the plan first and then the pattern. These appear in your patterns folder on your dashboard. The fashion industry has been searching for a solution to the fit of clothing for years. By working with industry, factories and education, we will give consumers what they want and educate the next generation of designers. The CAD/CAM market is valued at $25 billion, with the industry valued at $1.3 trillion. Our immediate market of small brands and universities is valued at $50 billion, with over 400,000 fashion brands. We are B2B with a license fee and annual subscription, creating recurring revenue for BCSizing. We have 3 main consumer segments: retailers and factories, universities, and individual technical designers. 3D body scanning and 3D avatars are front end. The full CAD/CAM service has one huge competitor, Lectra, who purchased Gerber in 2021, now valued at $522 million. We are busy securing partnerships, attending fashion events, and gaining press and contacting our vast network of fashion universities and brands to adopt BCSizing software. For the next 18 months, we will work hard to secure more partnerships and sales agents globally. Through our connections and events, we aim to secure traction by the third quarter of 2025. We are currently validating our software with Middlesex University in the UK and have signed an MOU, which is also going to write us into curriculum for the next academic year. We are going to work with Fashion Capital and exhibit at their Made in the UK Sustainable event in May. And we're also talking with FitMuch once we build enough traction to incorporate their front end to our back end. We're also talking to 8 other UK universities and 1 in Hong Kong to adopt our software for the next academic year once our validation is complete with Middlesex. BCSizing is a global team of 6 with expertise in the field of fashion marketing, branding and design, and software. Currently 4 of us are working on BCSizing. BCSizing is my PhD research, scientifically proven and peer-reviewed. It stems from my lifetime in the fashion industry, publishing pattern-cutting books over 10 years ago, and working in higher education for over 15 years. Our projected sales are conservative. Made in the UK event in May will secure industry sales, and we will use our vast connection in the industry to secure traction. We are projecting a slow start for the 2025 year 1 as we're currently validating our software with Middlesex University. Year 2 we will increase sales and along with that increase staff. By year 3 we're making a healthy profit and doubling our revenue annually. We are looking for partners to help us obtain our patents and to market at key fashion tech events. Are you ready to take on the fashion industry? We are.